Hey everyone, welcome to today's video where I'm going to talk about how to prestige and reset your character in the first Descendant. So what you need to do for prestiging is head over to the module screen and select modify additional settings on the top right, and then you want to select assign module socket type, as you can see right over here, and then this will bring you to the prestige screen where you can have your module slots and the one which have socket types. And then when a module is placed on a module slot and matches the socket type, it will be half the price and appear green. And to prestige, just select the module socket and the type you want to place and just click on apply socket type, and this will consume all 40 of your levels and a crystallization crystal, and you can repeat it until you fine tune your module build. And to reset, you need to obtain a crystallization catalyst first, which can be made using research materials found throughout the game. And then what you need to do is you need a neutral socket type that you can insert the item and assign a socket type on it. And there you go. This is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.